The Instructional Storyline was created to support teachers bringing the Biomimicry Youth Design Challenge into the classroom. The Storyline's three-dimensional lessons are aligned to middle and high school standards and incorporate the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals as a lens for both student problem solving and making connections to academic content. You can use the Storyline in several ways. You can follow the Storyline from beginning to end. You can pull out sections to enhance what you are already teaching, or you can use individual lessons or student handouts however you desire. An instructional storyline is a cohesive instructional unit or story created by a series of driving questions. Each question drives or sets up an inquiry activity to help students answer the question. The answer then inspires the next driving question throughout the storyline. This storyline has 22 driving questions. The anchor question is the foundation for both the storyline and the design challenge. Each driving question and lesson helps students uncover a key piece of information needed to answer this bigger question. Students start by pondering the anchor question and return to it at the end when they've completed the design challenge. You can think of it as a set of bookends. This storyline is built on the MIMIC Instructional Approach. Each letter in the word MIMIC represents a key step in the design challenge. The driving questions and lessons of the storyline are organized into sections based on this framework. Starting with Motivate, students first explore nature and biomimicry through a series of indoor and outdoor activities. Next, students investigate global climate challenges and begin the design process by identifying a problem that they want to solve. Continuing in Match and Innovate, students will research organism traits and strategies and use the engineering design process to create a bio-inspired solution to their problem. The project concludes with Communicate. Here students share their design with others and have the option of submitting it to the challenge competition. Each section of the storyline starts with an overview page to help you prepare for the next series of lessons. Each overview summarizes what the students will do, gives a list of the driving questions so that you can visualize the flow of thinking, and offers suggestions for what to do to get ready for the lessons. One suggestion that's repeated throughout the storyline is to have students set up a design notebook to keep all their work together and organized. This will be very helpful for you too. Each lesson appears on a separate page and includes the driving question and a learning goal, and take one class period. Each lesson is divided into these sections. What learners do describes the steps of the activities. What learners figure out describes the concepts or practices learned from the activities. And lesson resources includes websites, videos, and companion materials used in the activities. All of these materials can be found indexed and hyperlinked on the Storyline page of the Challenge website. The Instructional Storyline is here to support your instructional planning and to enhance your students' learning experience. We hope you'll find it helpful and inspiring.